What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. And today we doing soul food, Mama's chicken and dressing.
We doing chicken and dressing.
From Mama. This ain't that other stuff. That's for them stovetop people. Tell them we said it's the holidays. I want my favorite. Happy holidays. This is another episode, Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat 67. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Welcome back, man. Today, I got my favorite person with me in the kitchen, man. Check this out. We doing chicken and dressing. Mama's way. So y'all help me. Give me a big old round of applause and help me welcome my mama in the kitchen. What's up, baby? That's right, man.
Hey, how y'all doing today?
Say, where you coming from?
All the way from Dallas.
Texas. Dallas, Texas, in the building. For the holidays, we all the way out here chicken. Today, mama, we doing what?
Chicken and dressing.
Hey, when I tell you
the truth.
That's right, man, it's the holidays. Mama come down here with me. This is what it's about. Family, love, kicking it with each other. Y'all make sure you doing this. We sharing all this big old love, wrapped this fluffification up in this JPC gang merch. JPCgang.com for that, baby. Mama in the kitchen and cooking me some chicken and dressing. Mama, what we gonna do first? Listen, you told me everything to get, but I don't know how to put it together without all that love you got. You said give me this and that. So what you want me to do?
You get the chicken, I'm gonna be making the bread.
I'll do the chicken. I'm okay with chicken, man. I'm gonna get this chicken ready real quick, and then I'll bring you right back in and give you your space for your bread, because I don't want to be in your way. I wanted to get the one that's already broke down. Y'all know how I am, JPC gang. I gotta slow down. I told you go in the comment, you know what to say.
Slow your ass down.
Check this out. She told me to get the large bird. So what I'm gonna do is take one of my hatchets, my very sharp one. I need some gloves. We got it on his back right now. On the inside, we got some gifts in it. Neck, giblets, the gizzards, and all that good stuff. Don't get rid of the good stuff, the good giblets and giblets and things. That's for the stock. Get everything, that's the liver. Gang, I don't be out there, that's nasty. This is good, this is food. There go a chicken heart. Yeah, that's the heartbeat. God gave us this to eat. For me and you, he put it here. Mama told me she make that good gravy with this. She had that iron cord, that belt. Don't get rid of that, boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So look, I'm gonna set all this here for y'all to check it out. We got all the insides and everything out the bird. Went ahead and pre-cleaned this bird before we put it on this board. Come down both sides of the back. Yeah, y'all hear me. I'm bird. You have served your due diligently. Backbone, gone. You can freeze it and do a whole lot of things with it, baby. Especially during the holidays. Basically what we got here, a spatchcock chicken. Wanna go in and just like that, you heard that back crack. Come right down the middle. Take a hole, bust it down the middle. You got two halves. I don't think that's gonna fit in our pot. We're gonna break it down into a quarter. Quarter dark, quarter white. Now that I got this broke down, mama, come on in here. Look, check this out. What kind of seasoning do you typically put on your pieces of chicken? I broke your chicken down. That's what you asked me to do.
I appreciate that, son. So
yeah, no
you know I'm gonna get some magic dust. Gotta have that magic dust.
Mom, where they get that magic dust? Big Smokeys, BBQ.com.
Yeah.
Look, mama, I like the way you doing that, but get in there with your hands, baby. Look, and just sprinkle. That's the magic dust. You gotta sprinkle it, baby. Don't be afraid to use them clean hands. You wash them hands. I seen you. Yeah, my mama washed them hands. Stop playing. Don't be talking about
Flip it over a little bit.
What else you need, mama? I got all type of stuff.
A little salt.
Y'all should feel honored right now because listen, this is a recipe that she never showed it to me. She showing it to us right now. So this is all we need to build it up. We got our seasoned chicken. I told mama, I said, mama, listen, I follow all your rules, chef. Just get a big pot, man. We got the Instapot. It's 2021, 2020. No new president thing, but hey, we, you know, mama said get this chicken in a pot, so I said I got the Instapot. What we gonna do, mama? We gonna put it in the Instapot. Is that cool?
That's cool.
Get all this chicken in the Instapot. We using the Instapot today just because time. You know how it go. We ain't got time to wait. We want to be chilling with our family. What else you put in this pot? You told me to get you some veggies.
Bell peppers, some onions and peppers. I want to get that in there so I can get all that good flavor.
Then what we building here, mama? We building a
good broth.
Big old broth. You told me to get some of this chicken bouillon. This good? Tablespoon? That'll do it? That's enough?
That'll do it.
I don't want no whooping now, mama. I'm too old to be getting whooping.
That'll do it.
I don't want no whooping, man. Mama, what you gonna put in this pot? You gonna do some water or something in this pot?
I'm gonna put a little water in there and give it a good boil.
Fill the Instapot up. We're gonna fill it all the way to the rim. Mama say she needs the stock and she need that boil. It's gonna take about, in the Instapot, see, like if we was on the stove, I ain't gonna flex on your capabilities, mama, but I'm just saying it would've took all day.
Well, okay, let's use this new millennial.
All right, she called me a millennial, y'all. Come on now, I'm an OJ. I love you, mom.
Don't with me.
You know, old school, you get on that stove and let it slow roll and boil.
I can't be too many more millennials.
Mom, you want this water hot or cold or do it melt?
It don't matter. We want to get it done, though. It's Thanksgiving. Want to give it to the family.
She saying don't be playing. She had this camera on. She been slapping this back of my head. She said, boy, hurry up and get this stuff on there. I just filled it over the rim. We got all your veggies. That's good?
I want.
That looks good?
That looks good.
Can I show you?
You show me something.
Okay.
Don't with me.
You basically get in here, you hit that pressure cook button. Boom. Let's go to 25 minutes. I think in 25 minutes that chicken gonna break down just right. There it is, right there. It kicked off. We cooking, mama.
Okay.
Cool,
I'm
right?
ready to do this cornbread.
Let me get out the way. I'm gonna set this out the way and let this machine work.
Okay.
We ain't gotta work hard no more. It's 2020.
No way.
Let's do this thing, everything locked. Well, now I'm gonna get on this side, out
Okay.
your way, mama. I'm over here.
Okay.
If you need me, don't think I'm being disrespectful.
Done with me.
Pass me that bowl, son, so I can mix this cornbread.
Go use a big old bowl for your cornbread. Mama, what we doing?
Pouring this cornbread in this bowl.
Okay.
Some good Jiffy cornbread. I like Jiffy. You like Jiffy.
I love Jiffy. It's the sweet stuff. Listen, these people here ain't sponsoring us. This is the Delicioso. If you want to make your own stuff, I mean, it's about getting in the kitchen, doing what you love to do, right?
Doing what you love to do.
And being creative. What you need, about 6 boxes
Yeah,
in there?
about 6 bottles. We like our dressing a little sweet, so that's why we choose Jiffy.
That's the last box of cornbread. Boom, go on in.
So I'm gonna get this Mexican cornbread in here.
We put Mexican in there too? I didn't even know we put the Mexican in there, mama.
Yeah.
How many you got in there?
We got about 4 now. Let kick.
That kick. Spicification a little bit. What else we got, T?
We got some milk. I'm adding this cornbread.
Y'all hear me saying T? In Texas, we call it T-Jones OG. That's that Texas slang. Shout out Dallas, Texas, baby. This is my T-Jones right here. I'm gonna leave the recipe because I can't keep up with mama and I don't want to get a whooping.
Done with me.
Down in the description, make sure you go down there and check that recipe out. You better keep up.
Then we're gonna add some eggs in here.
We need some eggs in there.
You wanna add them in there for me, son?
I'm gonna put the eggs in there.
Give me about
1,
6 eggs.
2.
You always tell me I don't play by the rules, so
I've been in that kitchen watching her for a long time. Mama don't play by the rules. All that culinary. Put this to the mouth and julienne this and dice that. Hey, boy, cut me up some of them vegetables and come on.
come on, let's get it going.
That's right. And guess what? It always work out because she cold. There it is, y'all. Number 6.
And a little oil.
Whatever oil you like to use, I put mama some canola oil in there today.
Give it a good mix.
It's smelling like Thanksgiving in here.
Ain't nothing like that smell.
Yes, Lord.
Get a pan and get ready to bake this cornbread.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. When I come to mama house during the holidays and she's whipping, and check this out, because this is gonna be just gonna give you a glimpse of how she get at. Don't play no games. T-John don't play no games. This is a pan for you, mama. What you want
Okay,
here?
a little oil. You don't do the measurements. I just
Put some oil in the pan, boy. You got enough oil, guys. I'm gonna call that about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, or maybe 4 or 5. Who knows?
just a little bit more.
She looked at
You
it.
gotta have that eye.
Say she put her eyes on it. You got enough in here so it's not gonna let it stick, mama.
Right, well it won't stick. We're gonna pour it in this pan and get ready to get it
I do the
up.
heavy lifting. You
Okay.
know I got you, baby. You know I got you. All right, mama. I'm gonna go ahead and get your cornbread down in the pan.
I sure appreciate it, son.
Yeah, tell me when.
Okay,
Tell me
I'll tell you
when.
when to stop.
Gucci.
Okay.
We'll say the rest for the other folks. Look, we got your cornbread in the pot.
Okay.
What you putting this in?
Preheat the oven to 350.
Say it again.
Preheat the oven to 350. Set the oven to 350, boy.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
I preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna get this cornbread here until it's done. Mama gonna stab something in it and she said if it come out clear.
No, I'm about 20 minutes ago.
Okay, I put it in here at 350.
Okay, we got the cornbread in the oven. We
Okay.
got the chicken boiling.
You told me you doing me my favorite gravy now.
Yes, Giblet gravy. Let's get these gizzards.
Okay. I put you about 4 cups of water. That's good.
That's perfect.
Hot
son.
water in there.
That's perfect.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just cut this on right quick.
Yes, Lord. We
And then we
cooking.
got about 2 pounds of gizzards here. Just gonna put them in here.
Ain't nothing like mama gravy, man.
For that good Giblet gravy. And then I want to season them up with
And
this
magic-
magic dust. I got to have a little of that.
Mama, where you get that magic dust from?
Big Smokeys BBQ.com. Come on, baby. Go get it. The magic dust.
What else you put in there?
3 or 4 eggs in there.
What's the eggs for, mama?
That's just that old recipe.
I mean, mind your business.
Some people do it separate, but I do mine all in one because I'm trying to get
Okay.
back to the family.
We getting back to the fam.
Bring it to a hard boil. How long we gonna boil it for?
We're gonna boil them until they get tender, so that's gonna be on the eye.
Let them boil, check it, take one out. When it's tender, get the roller, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And them eggs can go right along, ain't gonna hurt the eggs.
Probably pull the eggs before we pull the meat.
My bad, you hear my mama say that.
Take the eggs out of there, boy.
Alright, hey, mama, she kinda shy, she don't like being on that camera. Don't put me on that camera, so I thank you for doing this, you hear me?
You're welcome.
Happy holidays to everybody from us over here at Jam-Packed Cooking. We hope y'all enjoy yourself like we are, man. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, cause we doing our thing. I promise you, this dressing, base ability, 0. There's some good dressing and gravy, I can't lie. You told me to get these veggies, what I gotta
So
do?
now I'm gonna saute some vegetables. Get ready to put in that dressing.
Put some heat under there. Heat under there,
Got
baby.
this the millennium stuff. I'm used to that stove over there.
Tell y'all, mama hard on me. It's on. It's on. You did it. See, it was that easy.
Okay.
Don't with me. I'm sorry.
Baste the bottom of that.
Okay.
And give me those vegetables you cut up for me. Celery, green bell peppers.
It's kind of like a holy trinity.
Like a
Sarah-
Holy Trinity.
Yeah.
True.
Okay.
Y'all call it Holy Trinity and all
Yeah,
that.
the-
I'm just giving me some bell pepper, some onions and celery.
Yeah.
Good savory for that.
Oh, this
dressing.
going in the dress.
It's going in the dressing.
Wow.
You're gonna make them translucent, right?
Yeah.
Get soft, nigga. They gonna get soft. I mean, boy, I wanna interrogate you a little bit. Is that cool?
That's cool. That's
I don't wanna whoop it now. Don't tell me it's cool on camera.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good.
Y'all can tell I've been abused. I'm just playing, man. There ain't no type of abused ladies.
Number love. Number love.
A lot of love. Now, I got a question about me now. This one is a little. It's not a loaded question, but it is a valid question. I feel like it's valid.
Okay.
Grandmama and Medea.
Okay.
That's my granny and my great granny. God rest both of this over. They listening to you right now. Who can burn better? This finna be big. Who you got? Who you taking? Grandmama and Medea. Who you taking?
I'm gonna give them a tie. I mean, I enjoy both of their cooking. I mean, I got that same good taste from both of them.
But how can you top Medea lemon meringue pie?
My favorite.
Medea had a specialty on lemon meringue.
Okay.
And Mama had a specialty on a 7-up cake.
I tried to get it out of her. All right, Mama, I'm gonna let you off the hook on that question. Last question, but not least. You got 3 sons. I got 2 younger brothers. I'm the oldest. You know, I'm the oldest. Your favorite thing. You got one out there. Yeah, I am the one. Choose me. Anyway, listen.
Who your favorite baby?
I already know the answer, so I ain't even gotta cut. How sauteed do you want these?
I want them soft. I don't
Okay.
want them crunchy. I want them soft.
No crispification. We're gonna take that out. We want it translucent. It's the holidays. I'm in the kitchen with my mama. I'm enjoying this. This ain't no stuff. It's just dressing.
Dressing.
Hit the camera, mama. Hit the camera. Tell them you gone.
We'll be back.
Mama, I just put your cornbread out. Do that look done to you?
Just stick this in there, and when it come out clean like that, it's done.
We got cornbread.
Go ahead and put this
Okay,
in
boom.
this bowl.
Boom. It's hot, mama.
Yes.
It's hot. Don't embarrass me. Ooh, Jesus.
Okay. Go to crumbling it up. Was it hot?
No, it wasn't hot at all.
You gonna cry in the car. I crumbled all that bread up.
Once you put that cornbread in there, you just mash it all up.
Yeah, I crumbled it up.
Like mashed potatoes.
Yeah. Like that.
Say, boy, you don't know what you're doing. Come on.
I want all of this good stuff. This is flavor.
Flavorification, baby.
Flavorification.
Flavorification.
Gonna pop that vent open. You see that? That's gonna get the spitting, kicking, and spitting, and spit kicking. I'm gonna open it, but because we're inside the house, I'm gonna put the towel over. Ain't that smart?
That's smart.
You taught me something. You taught.
I don't know about
You
that
said, boy,
one.
I taught you how to be lazy. Mom, you remember when I used to do this? I used to come in
And I
there.
say, get out of there, boy.
All right, come on.
He's the taster for sure.
I can't wait.
Food, family, love.
Do y'all hear that? Food, family, and love.
When do you start cooking for the Thanksgiving dinner?
So normally I start a couple days ahead of time because
Yeah.
the feast is real.
Here's another couple more pictures right there. Yeah, man, this is how we do, man. This is family fun and fellowship. You told me this Instapot, you said you was iffy about it.
I was iffy about it at first, but you have converted.
Typically, you will boil this all day, right?
Yes.
And it'll give you that
saved
long
me some
slow.
time.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Yes, Lord. I told you.
Put all that chicken in there for me.
Yeah, falling off the bone. Falling off the bone. Appreciate you, Instapot. They're not sponsoring us, but Instapot. Call to me. I think I got you a pretty clean broth here, man. Get a little onions.
That's fine.
It's fine.
I know I'm gonna need about 3 cups at least. Before I add that chicken, go ahead
Okay.
and give me my seasons here.
It's your sage, man.
Okay, this say I'm just gonna give it a sprinkle.
This is your portrait season you
I'm
are.
gonna give it a sprinkle.
It's smelling good.
Let's get that chicken in here.
What type of consistency are you looking for?
I'm looking for not sticky and not loose, but in between.
You ordered this. She got cream of chicken going in. 3 cups of cream of chicken.
Yeah, something like that.
Y'all better listen. I don't know. I'm just.
Stir it up good. Kind of break it up like that.
I just pour it in here so you'll be able to do it a little bit more easy. No problem.
So,
All your dog meat and your white meat.
we don't want this part on here.
What's that? That skin? Oh, take that skin off. No bones and no fat meat, right, mama?
Right. Give me a couple of eggs.
Couple eggs. I'm learning just like y'all. This is a new thing.
I'm just gonna keep stirring it, getting everything mixed in good.
Creamification. I know creamification when I see it. Y'all check out the pullover hoodie we got for the holidays. And we running our special on. Grind, never grow. I mean, go get your own. We ain't begging for nothing. We ain't rich, but we ain't big. Check it out on the website. It's on sale right now. Look on the side right there. What it say? Big old driplification.
Base it just a little bit. Pour it in there for me.
No problem. Ooh-wee.
Got the chicken all up in there. Put it in the oven on 350.
Okay.
Go for about 20-30 minutes.
Okay, take them
Get
gloves
done.
off. Get comfortable.
Yeah.
Make us a suitcase. You'll let us know when it's ready.
I'll let you know. About
She'll let
20-30 minutes.
20-30 minutes, or she'll let us know when it's ready.
That's why you don't want it too soupy.
No soupy. Hey, creamification, okay? Bye, yeah. Ready to make some gravy?
Ready to make some gravy.
You can't leave my gravy out. Watch this.
We gotta let oil.
Use fat in there for the best, right?
Right. Sprinkle a little flour in here. How much?
You making you a good roux.
Yeah.
Okay.
All of that.
So she
in
let that cook all the way down, y'all.
All of that
Ooh. Everything? Go on in there. All in?
Yeah, all in.
All in.
Thin this out a little bit.
Agua?
Yeah, give me a little aqua.
All of that. So them the eggs you had in the
The eggs I had in
Peep the eggs she had in there. I keep wishing. Right before your eyes, she done made the gravy, baby.
Good on you, Sally.
Mama told me, boy, that magic does something else.
That magic does got it going on.
Know
It
where to
makes
get it
everything good. So
You know where to get it at. BigSmokeysBBQ.com. Man, you know I'm the taste tester.
you the taste.
Get your spoon. Come here.
Good.
Make you want to clap your mama, but don't do it unless you want to go to the hospital. Mama, we got our gravy on. We got our dressing in the oven. I told y'all I'm a lucky man today. Watch this. That's right, I got a big old piece. Look at that. No little old scoop of dressing, big old big, you hear me? You got the gizzards in there, hard boiled eggs. Y'all gotta watch the video to get this recipe. Yes, Lord. Drown the gravy now. Drown the gravy. Typically, this would be a side dish. When you say soul food, if soul food was a dish, I'm telling you, besides them collard greens we're gonna put right there.
Candy yams.
Candy yam. What else we got on there? Give them a typical menu for the holidays for us. And this no cap. I'm gonna roll the footage.
Chicken and dressing, green, turnip green, cream corn, yams, red beans, potato salad, ham.
Yeah, and don't forget, who bring the brisket?
Big Smokeys.
Big Smokeys, baby. Go get your magic ducks. BigSmokeysBBQ.com. When you fix your plate, you put the
Cranberry sauce on. Gotta have that cranberry sauce.
If you're a real eater, man, and you know real soul food, and you from the South or East Coast, wherever you from, man, but this is a real staple in the South. The love that's in this dish is like no other. Thanksgiving coming up, so I'm gonna tell you what I'm thankful for. Right now, I'm thankful for my mother in this kitchen helping me prepare this wonderful love on the plate. This is love on the plate. I'm thankful for all my JPC gang members out there getting ready to share this with me. Make sure you go get this recipe down in the description. Mama way for a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but a whole lot of love. You know we finna taste it. Come on, ma, let's try this out. You gotta tell them what you're thankful for.
Okay, I'm thankful to be here with my son, and I can provide this good, loving food.
Oh man, love
and
it.
just have that time together.
That's what it is. Where you going in at?
I
Ladies
get some
first.
cranberry sauce.
Okay, that gravy. Come here, cranberry sauce. And come here, gravy. Come here. I'm gonna turn this way and slap my mama.
It's good.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come to you right now saying thank you for this mama love on the plate, baby. Lord have mercy. I don't care what you're doing and how you're doing it out there. They gotta go in the description to get this recipe,
Yeah,
right?
go in the description, get it.
You put a little love down there?
Put a little love down there.
She left a little love down there so you can go get it. For you, JPC gang, happy holidays from my family to all of y'all out there, man. Make sure you go over there and get some of this merch. Yeah, we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers, huh?
Yeah.
Go get that merch at jpcgang.com. Get you some magic dust at BigSmokeysBBQ.com.
Thanks, JPC gang, for letting me be a part of you guys today.
Yeah, you at home.
Yeah, so there we go.
You at home.
See y'all next time.
Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking in the kitchen with me and my mama. Until next time, JPC gang, peace and love. If you're out there in Dallas right now, man, my mama run a catering company. She do dishes like this all the time for all type of people. Start Catering and Vending on Facebook. 469-658-1441 if you want to give them a call. Start Catering and Vending at yahoo.com. All that'll be down in the description. Y'all go kick it with y'all people. Goodbye.